Hello, my people. Welcome again to Glatory. Today, I'll be showing you how I made these amazing mixed spices for your jollof rice. Please follow and watch to the end. I use all these ingredients like a combo to make these amazing spices. You can see I use the parsley, the white pepper, the garlic flakes, the fennel, the thyme, the mustard seed, green cardamom, the cumin, rosemary, my dehydrated ginger, and my coriander with my bonnet pepper, and my turmeric flakes, basil, and nutmeg with my red pepper, the pepper and my Bayleaves. I'll be toasting everything in my stove at least for 5 minutes. If today is your first time joining me, you are highly welcome. Thank you for coming by. And for my returning subscribers, what will I do without you guys? Thank you so much for always tagging along with me. Here I'll be toasting it for 5 minutes so that it will release its oil and flavors. I'll be letting it to cool up before blending it. I'll be doing all my peppers to toast them and the bay leaves. Now I'll start blending all the leaves. I'm using my grinder to do this. I find it so easy to use this grinder because it's very good in grinding things into powder form. It works better for this kind of project. I know some of you will be asking me how I make this big batch of these spices. Yes, I usually like to make a big batch because I like to make it one time and use it for a long time. That's why I see I'm blending all the seeds. Remember to subscribe, like what I'm doing, and always share. It has a long way encouraging me in this journey on my YouTube. Please always like, always share, because when you like it, it makes YouTube to introduce my video to other people. Thank you. There's one ginger inside there that refused to blend, but I've taken it out. Now I'm adding my pepper. If you have any other kind of blender, I will still do the same thing, only that this one makes it more easier. I'll be mixing everything all together to well combine. If you check my bowl, you can see it has different layers: the leaf, the seed, and the pepper, so all well combined. Now I'll be sifting it to bring out the chaffs, and I'll still blend the chaff again. No waste, you can still even use it without blending it. You can see my fine powder. These are my chaffs. I'm gonna blend it one more time again. See, it came out well. So here, no waste. Everything is important. Even if it's not well blended, you can still use it to cook. Wow, you can see my meat spices all came out well. Remember to subscribe if you have not subscribed, like what I'm doing, and always share. It has a long way to encourage me in what I'm doing. Thank you so much for doing that. Now I'm storing it into my plastic container so that it will last longer. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to subscribe, and see you on my next video. Bye.